Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this very beautiful and very attractive vellum paper roses, or this is also known as parchment paper. So I will show you each step in detailed procedure. So this is the greeting card come envelope, and you can put money inside this. And I have written congratulations on your special day using my stamps. Isn't it looking very pretty and attractive? So let's get started. For this we need glue gun, white color cardstock, some pattern papers, embossing pad and perforating pad, any satin thread, paper doily, some ball tools, scissor, some multicolored sketch pens, white marker, punch border, vellum paper or parchment paper. First, I am taking this stencils of 5 petal flowers in 3 different styles, and also I have added the leaf. So you can just download this from description box, and you just need to cut this shape, and using this vellum paper you have to trace the flower on this paper and cut it using your scissor. So I have already created one large flower. Now I will show you how to shape it and color it. So I am taking my white color gel pen and outlining it using my gel pen, and also giving some texture lines. Like this. Now taking my pink archival ink and coloring it from back side on each paper. Remember to color from back side, that is the part on which you have added the lines using white marker. On the opposite side of that you have to color. You can also use your sketch pen to color this. So this is done. Now I am taking my ball tool and embossing pad, and from back side of the flower on which we have colored, just push it towards the edge of the petal using your ball tool. So I am repeating it for each petal. Like this. Now using the large ball tool I am making a cup shape, and now taking my perforating pad and just tapping on the center. Now just curling each petal using my fingers for the natural look. Like this. In the same way, we need total 2 large flower petal and 2 medium flower petal. Now I'm taking this styrofoam bud. This is having 8 millimeter diameter, and I'm just pricking the center of each flower using my tweezer. Just taking my glue gun, insert this styrofoam bud from first flower, add little glue using hot glue gun and just shape it. So first I am making the bud and then I will add other flowers. So the rose is ready. Isn't it looking pretty? Now I will show you how to create leaf. So I have already added the pattern on this leaf using my white marker. Now again from back side, I am coloring this time using my colored sketch pen. So you have two ways to color this. Either use archival inks or any kind of inks using dauber, or you can just color it using markers. Now I am shaping it using my ball tool. Like this. So leaf is ready. Now I am cutting the wire from the flowers so that we can easily connect it. So we need some small flowers and one big flower. And also I have created some leaves. Now to create envelope cum card, I am taking this 24 by 20 centimeter white cardstock. This is having 200 GSM. Now from left side I am creasing on 8.5 centimeters and on 17 centimeters. Now fold all the creases. So this is done. Now I'm taking my stencil and on this side I am just stenciling using pink peony archival ink using my foam applicator. So this is done. Now I am taking this satin cord so that we can tie our card. First I am connecting this and covering it using some pattern paper pieces. Like this. Now using this piece of pattern paper I will create a pocket. So to create the pocket I have already created 3 connectors using white cardstock which is having same width and height as this pattern paper. So first I am adding these connectors. And then I am connecting my envelope. Now I will start decorating it using some punched border design. To punch this border I have used silver mirror cardstock. I have added this congratulations on your special day sentiment using my clear stamps. You can also write the sentiment using your markers. Adding some decorative corners and border and adding paper doily. Now on the front of the card I am adding 2 pieces of paper doily. I had just distressed the edge of the doily using pink archival ink. Now I am adding some jute threads here and there for a little shabby look. And then I am adding my roses and leaves. Also, I have created these tiny parchment flowers using small size of punch, and I have colored from backside using purple sketch pen. These are just a filler flower. Like this. Here I have added some small micro bead pearls in the center of these small flowers. So the beautiful vellum roses card come envelope is ready. You can use these flowers on different bases like key holder or mixed media, scrapbooking, card making, anything of your choice. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.